Now my mind says I should get my 8-foot ladder out, set up, so I can reach that whole thing. I'm gonna try this little step ladder first. I have to remember how this clips on. Remember, it only clips on by that clip and that clip on both sides. Okay, that's the only thing. So as long as I get those clipped, okay, let's just see what I can do here. I might use the tall ladder next time, but definitely I got to use the tall ladder for removing the other ones. Oh, I got there's some sheetrock mud on the end of this thing. Good grief. Okay, I wiped out the inside. I didn't look on the outside. I guess I could take a look at that later. And the thing with this too is you got to be careful when you're carrying this. Last thing you want to do is lift this up and with too much pressure on one side, and then crack it just by lifting up the edge. And you see, I don't. This is as high as I can get, and now it's all about feel. And I think I would feel more comfortable if I was on the ladder, you know. But I'm gonna kind of see what I can do here. Oh, okay. And see, I've got to hold my hand just right. Yeah, see, I'm not up high enough really. I don't like doing it that. I don't like that how it feels. And so I'm gonna do it with the tall ladder, okay? Because I have to kind of pull back on those sides a little bit, and I want to make sure I'm pulling back at the right place so I don't crack it or anything like that, and it's up over my head and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to set the ladder up instead. Okay, let's do it. I got it set up. Hopefully, let's see if I can move this back a little bit. Hopefully you'll be able to see enough. I mean, I'm doing the best I can is all I can do. In fact, maybe I could set the, I think I'm going to set the tripod on top of the washer and see what happens with that. Okay, how's that? I'm going to leave it right there, and hopefully you'll see enough with that. And I got my ladder kind of situated how I want. I want to be able to reach the front of it more so than the back. As long as I get the front clip, as long as I get both sides on this left side, because where I got the ladder, and this front clip in, then it's not going to fall down. Then I can move the ladder and do the other end, okay? All right, so first, I know I have to just slide it with my left hand over those clips and feel on it and see. And because I'm up on the ladder, I can. It's a lot easier, you know. I believe. See, now I can get right up in there and see what I have to do to bend this bracket out. I just have to bend it out enough to get my finger out of the way. Oh, there we go. And I had it. There. Did you hear it clip? Okay, now I know that end is not going to fall. Okay? And because it's in there. And I got the back in, I believe. Yeah, it feels like I got it. Okay? All right. Now I'm going to move the ladder back so I can kind of see this other clip, and make sure. I can't really see that side over there, but see, now I can feel that. It feels like I'm over on that clip, and I'm going to try having that right there and pushing straight up, and maybe it'll just kind of snap up into place. Yeah, see? Oh, there it goes. See? I kind of pinched it just a hair and pushed up on it, and it's kind of designed to kind of and see, this is just how it's going to be. But I know it's in there. I know it's clipped in, and if I push it that way all the way and pull it back, I know there's an inch. Now I can pull it back towards me, half an inch, and I know I'm in there right. Okay, and that's it. I've done it, VideoJoe. And you can too, if you just take your time with it. Don't be a bull in a china shop, okay? Just don't do that. Now that we got the cover on, let's take a look at something here. You see what I see? What is it that you see? And now granted, all 4 of these bulbs are not on. There might only be 2 bulbs on, okay? But it appears that those old bulbs are slightly a different color than those bulbs, right? And when we moved into this house about 8 years ago, I pulled these covers off just for the painter to come and paint. Okay, oh man, look at that over there. I'm looking at that. I'm wondering if that was clipped all the way. See how it's kind of hanging at askew? The left-hand side is not up as far as the right-hand side. I may have to kind of take a meander at that and get back up on the ladder. But I just took these covers off, and we've never replaced the bulbs since we were in here. That was at least 8 years, and I don't know how old those bulbs were before that. So in the span of 8 years, could they have made the cool whites slightly different than the other ones? I don't know, but these are probably not cool whites. There might be something else ever so slightly a different color. Now that tells me no matter what, I'm going to replace all 4, but I was going to replace all 4 anyways. Okay, I'm going to just keep the camera on, and I'm going to go back up there and just make sure this one was clipped in. I'm pretty sure it was. It looks like it's clipped in, and you see, okay. It's like I said, the light fixture itself feels slightly askew. And probably one of these days, I probably should take that cover off, the middle cover, make sure the screws are tight, because see, this is flopping a little bit, and it's probably a screw right up in there that needs to be tightened up. And that's what's making that look slightly down lower, because that side's lowering down, okay? But there you go. All right. So now, what are we going to do? Yes, it's time to remove this cover up here, and I'm going to get resituated, and I'm going to set the tripod down there, and we'll see if we can't get this off without cracking it. You see what I was talking about? There's not much room in here to get the ladder, so I'm going to have to flip the ladder around, and you'll have to make a decision. I got this door closed because my wife was in there doing something with some other girls and stuff, and the radio's on and all that. I didn't want to get distracted. I didn't want to make any noise or stuff. I've got that closed. But if you got enough room, maybe you feel more comfortable having the ladder set up so that you're right-handed. So that you walk up the ladder at that end instead of this end over here. I'm going to set the ladder up facing that direction, and I'm hoping that I can get those clips off. Okay, does it make a difference? We'll soon find out.